It's hard trying to capture the opportunities in the volatile crypto market. Bit.com offers you an intelligent tool to place orders automatically. Rebalancing Market Maker Strategy, or RMM, helps investors auto-rebalance their portfolio to the initial fixed ratio once the change of asset weights exceeds the threshold. RMM places a set of orders in advance to capture the market move. Investors can capture price fluctuations by buying low and selling high, earn the rebalancing premium, and potentially enjoy an excess return. Assuming each BTC is currently worth 50,000 USDT, if you put one BTC and 50,000 USDT in the portfolio at the beginning, meaning your balance ratio sets to 50% to 50%, with the threshold of 1% and the maximum number of sided order of 2, the system automatically calculates and places 2 buy orders and 2 sell orders for you. Later, if the market drops, your BTC depreciates, and the asset weighting changes to 49% to 51%, meaning the weighting change now equals the preset threshold. After the rebalance, the system will place another set of orders for the investor. Along with BTC price moving up and down, the system automatically places orders and rebalances the portfolio to the initial balance ratio. If the BTC price moves back to the entering level, you can make 240 trading P&L. RMM is likely to outperform AMM in a range-bound market because they adopt different rebalancing formulas. If the price drops and then rebounds, but eventually returns to the entering level, RMM beats AMM by 240. Almost all of that comes from the more optimized trading decision. RMM helps you to achieve long-term portfolio growth in a volatile market. Experienced investors and market makers are fans of the strategy. Go to bit.com website and get started now.